Hola amigos, welcome back to another video. It's that time of the year again. It's October, Halloween. I used to do Halloween special videos a long time ago. I don't do them anymore. Too busy. But you know what? Thinking back to older videos, I saw just recently that there's only one video of mine that's been like super successful. In all the videos that I've ever uploaded since I've had my channel, it's been years, I don't even know how many, but there's only one that hit 1 million recently. And that is my Arkham Knight Batman muscle suit demo thing where I'm dressing up. It was a local convention, and we had a booth from Smooth On, and I dressed up as Batman, and I took you guys along with me, and I showed you how the suit came together, and then just that was the video. It was just uncut, about a half hour of just me talking, putting on the suit. I'm going to do a follow-up to that, but it's not going to be half hour, so we're going to speed it up because there's been some upgrades that I want to show you guys. I just recently, as of a couple of hours ago, completed this new upgraded Nathero Productions Batman Arkham Knight 2.0 suit. All right, so let me show you guys the entire thing. What we have here is the new bodysuit. Instead of how it was before, if you guys saw my previous video, the muscle suit was separate, and then this kind of came up, and you would Velcro it down. Now, all of these pieces used to be like stitched, like fabric that was stitched onto the suit, and now everything is actually casted separately in rubber. So everything is urethane, all this gray stuff, the abs, of course, the pants, the knees here, everything is urethane, and it was glued down to the costume, to the bodysuit. And then the actual muscle suit, which is a full body muscle suit, is underneath, and it's actually glued to the outer fabric, as you know, a lot of the Batflex style suits are done that way as well. My new belt, it's actually my old belt. The only thing that I replaced on this one was these pieces here that got lost during my previous video. And then my old buckle did not have these little side details here. So I don't know where those went, but when I was watching back my video, I noticed that was missing. And then somehow I lost my capsules during the day. The gloves, I didn't have like special gloves last time. So these are also fabric gloves that I just bought. I think they're like for jogging. And I just found these on Amazon, and they have the little hex in there on the palm, and you can actually like use your cell phone and stuff. And this was also missing last time, but it's provided by Nathero from Nathero Productions. And these are also just rubber casted pieces that I glued down to these gloves, and they, you know, they work. So that's the bodysuit belt. And now I'm going to show you, the gauntlets are the exact same gauntlets as last time. This upper torso area is new. It's now all casted in rubber. It's still like the collapsible one that I really like, but all the shoulders and everything are flexible now. And then in the old video, this was like a one piece that was like rigid, and I put it over myself. This time it kind of separates, and it has the Velcro to attach here. So that makes it a little bit easier. And then the back part of the neck is also flexible this time around. Cowl is actually also upgraded, or like finely detailed. Before, I think it was missing some of the details here, and it was actually it had like some air bubbles. This one seems to be pretty clean. So I know some of you guys comment that it's like Arkham Origins, but no, as far as I know, this is like Arkham Knight game cowl. And then I have this was mine that I added here just to kind of fill in the cowl because it's a little big on me, but it's like this like Biggins or TDK style mesh hood that I add to the suit. Then lastly here are the neck piece. This is also flexible now. It used to be a little bit more rigid, I remember, and it just kind of Velcros on there. And the shin guards, these are pretty cool. Last time they were kind of missing the back piece here, but now they're on there. So I don't think these have Velcro, so you kind of just have to put your foot in there because the front is resin and the back is flexible urethane. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually, you know, it never rains out in California as the song goes, but today we got a little bit of drizzle. I don't know if you want to see outside the window. We got a little bit of rain, and it's still kind of drizzling. So I was thinking, you know what? Let me put this suit on because it's always raining in that game. You know how it's like raining and you see the suit always kind of a little bit wet. So I think I'm gonna put everything on and we're gonna cut. It's not gonna be like, you know, that other video. We're gonna cut. I'm gonna put everything on and then we're gonna go outside and try to get a little bit of cool video and some pictures and call it a day and upload this for Halloween week. And that's my Halloween video for you guys. So hopefully you like it, and yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
So the bodysuit, the new style, is just a zipper down the lower back, and then as you can see, the muscle suit is just attached to the outer suit here. So that's how this one works. All right, so make sure you have somebody to help you. My lovely wife is like tying my laces like a boy. But yeah, so suit goes on first, then shin guards, then shoes, and then this last part of the boot cover here that straps under the shoe. Bam. All right, so I got everything on now except the top part, the gloves, the gauntlets. This makeup, believe it or not, it's the same that I used in that other video. I bought it for that day, and it's still here. Let's see if it still works.
The mail. That's insane. So just a quick raccoon. Batman raccoon eyes. Painted.
Freaking Batman. Oh, Batman doesn't smile. Happy Halloween, y'all.